Hello everyone, my dear crafting friends. Today is the first time that I received anything from Anna Griffin. I had never bought anything from her again, even though I watch her videos on YouTube sometimes, the release videos that she has, and I absolutely love her stuff, even though sometimes I think they kind of overdo it with the layers. I mean, it's one of those things that if you send a card, you need a box because it has so many layers, but they are absolutely gorgeous. So what I did was I just bought, to try it out, two things, and I'll have the link for them. Some are card layers, they're actually specialty paper, and the other one, they're called toppers, and these were all on sale because if you are into Anna Griffin, you know that her stuff is kind of pricey, and deservedly so, because she is very unique in what she does, and it's beautiful and absolutely great quality. I just had never bought it before. I mean, she has some kits that are like my dream come true, but they are quite expensive. But let me show you the things that I bought, just so you have an idea of the quality. She is really, really, really great quality. So Anna Griffin, and that's the name here, Anna Griffin. And oh, these are, I think these are the toppers, die cuts, yeah, 50 die cuts. So let me open this up. Oh, I was dying for this to come. Took a while. Took like, I don't know, 3 weeks to get here. So it comes in this beautiful box. I mean, just the box itself, you know that it's a high quality product, right? And it has Velcro. And look at all these goodies inside. Look at that. So it's very vintage, a lot of gold. She loves gold. These are what she calls, let me open them up so you can see, the card toppers. I mean, guys, this alone is all you need for a beautiful card. I mean, look at that. Look at how gorgeous this is. Happy Christmas. So I bought, of course, you know me, I am still buying Christmas stuff. So these are toppers, and look how unique they are. Very vintage looking. So I get 2 of each, I guess. And I'm just gonna show you some of it. I mean, look at these guys. This is like a work of art, isn't it? What else do you need on a card, right? Look, these, I think I would use this not on a card. I would use it on a wrapping. I would beautifully wrap something with this. Let me show you more. And these are on sale, guys. So I will have the link for you below. These are I bought 2 things on sale just to try it out. Oh, look at this one with Santa. Look at that. I mean, she has a lot of gold. She loves gold. And she has the most beautiful, and this has like a lot. Let me see how many comes in the box. 50 cardstock die cuts. This seems like more. So let me just give you some idea of what it looks like. I don't want to spend like 10 minutes showing, but I think you get the gist of her stuff. I mean, look at that. And the next thing I'm going to show you is the papers. Oh, look at this Christmas tree. A lot of foiling, a lot of gold. I'm going to make some beautiful things. And this guy, guys, it was not expensive at all, because I think it was about $20, something like that. I mean, for all this, I mean, it is on sale because she has some boxes that are like $200, but it comes like with the whole, everything you need for card making, like the papers, the toppers. I mean, look at that. Honestly, all you need is just the card base. But you will see online that she does a lot of layering. Okay, so I think you got the gist. Oh my goodness, look at this one. All Christmas related. So it's one of those things that you look at and say, will I really be able to use this because it's so gorgeous? Of course I will. I'm going to make an effort. Look at that. So, okay, these are the toppers. Last one. just so you get a gist of what her style is like. It's very unique, and oh my goodness, absolutely gorgeous. I watch her videos online, and she does it every week, like video release of new products that she is showcasing. So let me see. This one are the papers. These are specialty papers that you just will not see anywhere else, really. Anna Griffin. There you go. The box itself, again, guys, just the box. This is velvet. Look at this. It's all velvety. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this. I'll use the... I can't even get rid of the box. I'm going to use this box just to keep my things in. So these are all specialty paper. Oh my goodness. Look at this. You see how many I got? 36 cardstock sheets. Let me give you the name so you can look online. I will have the link below for you, okay? These were on sale too. And look at that. So you get, this is all velvety. I cannot show you. It's just not fair because it doesn't do it justice. This is all velvety too. So you get four, oh, look at this. All of it is velvety. You can hear that, right? So that's 3 of each that I get. 3 of those. Oh, look at this one. Beautiful. And these are very thick, good quality cardstock. It's thick. So that's the same. Oh, look at this one with the reef. So get 3 of these too. That's the reef again. Oh, the white one. I love it. It's kind of beige actually. All velvet, guys. Really, really gorgeous. I am going to make a... I think I'm going to use these for boxes because they're so thick and they're perfect for boxes. So some snowflakes, and I love this color here. Look. All velvet. So here is my unboxing for today. A lot of cards and papers. A lot of these toppers. Can you imagine using something like this and just putting this on top? What else do you need, right? You already have a beautiful work of art right there. Look at that. In the red. Let's see the red. Oh my God. Look at that. Guys, I am astonished. I don't know what to say. You know, me and paper, and these are absolutely... You can't really compare to anything else in the market. I'm a fan. I'm a fan, Anna. So, not Anna. Yeah, it is Anna, not Anne. Anna Griffin. So, I'll have the links below for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'm sure you're like, oh my... If it's your style, of course, because it's a very peculiar style. Thank you so much for being here again, and I will see you next time. I just wanted to share with you because I'm so happy with all this. Anna, you're the best.